Hey guys, welcome back to Rebel with a Plan. Sorry I didn't get my usual Wednesday video up. World's kind of crazy right now, so I hope you can forgive me for being a day late. But I got my Erin Condren surprise box today, and I thought we would open it together. I haven't been through it at all. All I did was pop the tape. So I'm super excited to see what's in here. You guys know I am a happy planner girl at heart. But sometimes I just can't resist a good Erin Condren, and I've heard really good things about the box. I don't know what's in it, but let's find out. So I think this shows you what's in it, and I don't want to know. I want to be surprised. Okay, so there is some washi, and it looks like it is like times of day and circles for like a checklist. So that's really cute. And then, ooh, what's this? It's a vision journal, and it's got a little note card from Erin Condren. Let's see. The vision journal is the space for you to reflect, gain clarity, dream, and act upon your vision or visions. Look at that. Oh, that's cute. Oh, so there's like a place for a vision board, and then when the vision was created, what it means to me, plans and actions to bring this vision to life. That is awesome. That's really neat. And what's this? Looks like it's a 2-color pen that you can build yourself. Oh, look. Oh, so you just screw those in and you make your own dual tip marker. Oh, that's so neat. You can switch them out. Oh, fun. All right. And there is a petite journal. Let's see. So this goes in the petite journal kit that they have. I don't actually have one, or I would assemble it for you, but it's like a traveler's notebook, but specifically for their petite journals. And it looks like it's productivity. So it's got a place for notes and a checklist on every page. And then it's a cleaning checklist. That's kind of fortuitous right now, huh? Now that we're bleaching the hell out of everything in our houses. That's neat. And there's stickers. Embrace the change in the air. Oh, look at those. I want their hourglasses so bad, and I'm saving up to get them because I want them. That's so cute with those little hourglass stickers. Let's see. I guess I'm being greedy. And then, what's this? Oh, it's like a pen holder with the Erin Condren circles. It's weighty. It's like a clay pot almost. Oh, cute. Very neat. Let's see what's on the card. So there's the Vision Journal Coiled Notebook. A planter. Oh, it's a planter. Cute. They put a little succulent in it. That's cute. The Cleaning Checklist Notepad. The Petite Journal in Wildflower. This do-it-yourself pen thing is blowing my mind. That is so cool. That's so neat. And then the Productivity Washi Tape Duo with the times and the little circles for checklists, and a clear sticker sheet. And the box is reversible. I would never be able to pull that down and rebox that up. I'm just not that talented. So that, my friends, is the Erin Condren Seasonal Surprise Box for Spring 2020. I've never gotten one of their surprise boxes before. I'm pretty happy with it. I think that was totally worth it. Definitely all stuff that I will use. Very excited about this Vision notebook. That's really cool. I'm excited about that. And plus with Erin Condren, you know, you can change out the covers, so if I wanted to move this cover to a different notebook, I'm not as handy with putting these back in. Other people make it look so easy, but it takes me forever. Whatever, I'll do it later. So I could put that on the cover of one of my other notebooks if I wanted to. I could switch that out. So yeah, that's pretty neat. I am pretty happy with that. Let me know if you got in for the 2020 spring box and what your favorite thing was. And then when the summer surprise box rolls around, I think I may have to go ahead and sign up for that too, because that's a pretty good value right there. So I am very happy with that. Thank you guys so much for joining me for my Erin Condren Spring Surprise Box unboxing. I hope you and your family are safe and healthy in these really weird times that we're in. As always, I appreciate you so much. If you're new here, consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you know when I have videos going up, usually on Mondays and Wednesdays. I will talk to you guys soon. Love you. Bye.